Hi editors! Welcome to Easy Edit Tutorials. Let's create this easy, dreamy inversion effect in After Effects. Make sure that your project's color depth is set to 16-bit. To change it, hold Alt or Option key and click on this area in the project window. Create a new comp and add your footage. Create a new adjustment layer. Add a CC cross blur. Set the radius Y to 25. Add a radial blur. Set the amount to 35. Blur type to zoom. Add a noise HLS. Set hue, lightness and saturation to 5%. Add this expression to the noise phase. Add curves and increase the contrast a bit. Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video. Add a colorama and set the colors of the output cycle. And finally, add hue/saturation and set the master hue to 135. Your dreamy inversion effect is ready. If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.